Good afternoon. I'm with Steve Weber from Liaison Home Automation. They have two showrooms, one in Illinois and one in Colorado. Thanks for joining me. I just wanted to ask you for some feedback for our members on the healthcare, the ProSource Healthcare Initiative. And just for the members watching, Steve, I know in a past life has a medical background, and so I'm sure healthcare is important to you. And I just wanted to start by asking, what made you make the call to even that you were interested in the ProSource Healthcare?
Well, I started the business 6 years ago. One of our core principles was taking care of our family, and we see all our employees as family. And having been in the medical area, I saw how people's finances were devastated by unexpected illnesses. Just everyday appendicitis. That happens to young people who think they're invincible and feel that they're never going to have any medical issues, and yet they'll walk out of the hospital with $20, $30, $40,000 in debt. I just didn't want to see that happening to our employees, and so felt it was important. It's a big expense. It's a burden on the company, but I felt it very strong to do that. We searched around and looked for different avenues, and we used initially for the first couple of years, but when then ProSource came out with this, it was a better package, better pricing, and we could take care of our employees that way. So it's
Have you heard any of your employees say anything about the plans or anything? Have they?
Fortunately, we really haven't had to use it, so that's good. It's one of those things where you don't want to have to use it, other than routine care. So I don't have a lot of experience in saying that what's been covered and what hasn't been covered at this point.
What would your advice be to other integrators who aren't currently offering healthcare to their employees?
Yeah, look around, see what your brokers and stuff can do so you're educated, but I think you're going to find that the program with ProSource is really pretty good. We choose to do a high deductible plan, and I encourage my employees to put the money that they can put aside because it's pre-tax, and it allows them to, it's another type of retirement vehicle that they can put away and use for another day when they do have higher medical expenses. So high deductible plan, HSA is a good option.
Awesome. Thank you so much for taking time to give us some feedback on that. I really appreciate it.
Well, thank you guys for bringing it forward.